So guys, today we're gonna figure out how to make these female squirrel. And guys, I got this puller to use as my example, so I can, watch and figure it out, So let's get it. It's 7 easy to follow steps. Okay. Step 1, warm her up. Start with one finger. So one finger. Get it like this. Let's see what he's talking about. Step 2, locate her G spot. Okay, what? How can I find her G spot? Come on, man. Why can't I find her G spot? It's on the wall, top of the wall of her vagina, halfway between the vagina opening. And so the spot should feel a little rough, almost like the surface of the water. Oh, okay. I got you. Okay, so I'm learning. Okay, I got you. Okay. Remove your hand. Oh, so okay. So so when you stick that sucker in, you gotta go a little up, and then boom. But you probably gotta start going really fast. See, porn make it look so goddamn easy. Okay. Okay, step 3. Now you use 2 fingers. Yeah, see, that was just doing 2 fingers. See, porn. Yeah, see? It gets her G-spot. Okay, and press a little teasy. Okay. She should be squirming and breathing very heavily. Okay. Yes, Sirski. Okay. Moving to overdrive, okay. So 1, you're gonna rest the palm of your hand on the clitoris, almost cupping it, okay? Then you're gonna use both your index fingers and ring finger to penetrate the same spot. Then you're gonna pull your head up and down so you simulate the clit at the same time. So basically you're gonna do like this, you know what I'm trying to say? And so you're gonna be doing it really fast. And like they say, she gonna be squirming like she gonna be, her toe gonna curl. You gonna come to the next thing. A waterfall. Step 6. Now here is the crucial part. When she gets closest to squirting, when she will say that she needs to pee. Oh, okay. So when she get close to squirting, she would say that she needs to pee. She does not need to pee. Keep going, you almost there. Okay, so if my girl say, man, I need to pee, she don't really need to pee. Okay. That means she really saying she about to squirt. Okay. So she said, I'm about to pee. No, you ain't about to pee, girl. Shut up. You about to squirt. Step 7. About 10 to 50 seconds after the pee sensation begins, she will start to come. When she does, do not stop. Just do it harder and harder. Pressure in the G spot upward. Okay, so Okay, so just because she stopped coming, do not stop. You better go harder. You better. You will squirt. So Okay, so just because she said she gonna come, okay, guys, y'all hear this? Just because she said she about to start coming, doesn't mean you stop. You go harder and harder. Pressure that G-spot, baby. Okay. Now she should start to ejaculate, and she will scream, and her pussy will squirt, shooting clear, orderless liquid everywhere. Okay, so now she will start ejaculating. She will scream, her pussy will squirt, shooting clear. Oh, okay. So she gonna be like, boom, waterfall. Then you might want, guess what, guys? This her squirt right now. Some good squirter. Then you might be a little thirsty. She might, tell her, hey, I feel dehydrated. Can you please squirt in my mouth? Or squirt in my cup, Like, look, why in the hell why I pay for some water when I got my girl? Some good squirt. Oh, that's some good. Waterfall. Y'all see that? Look at that. Waterfall. She gonna soak up that goddamn bag so much. She gonna soak that bag. She gonna soak it. Like, it gonna be soaking. Like, you gonna think, how you ever went to sleep and you dreaming like you peeing on yourself, but you really, whole while, you really is peeing on yourself and you wet the bed? Well, it gonna be looking like that times 10. My God. So, yes. Waterfall. You did it. But be careful. She going to want this all the time. Well, guess what? Hey, I be dehydrated all this time, so I need some water. So you know what? Dang that. Shoot. Hell yeah. Learning more ways to please your woman. I love my vibrator. Okay, so I'm gonna go on there as soon as I finish this video. I love my vibrator.com. Let me go and screenshot that. I be forgetting. Okay, I'm good. Well, guys, your boy JACKMANREACT. If you like these type of videos, please let me know. Please subscribe. I hope y'all figure out now y'all know how to make a girl squirt. Boom. Just like that. And yeah, they got porn, but why watch porn when you can watch JACKMANREACT reacting to how to make a girl squirt?